Hello friends, today we're going to explore a beautiful
Concept from Japanese technique.
that can help us find purpose and fulfillment in life. It's called Ikigai,
Ikigai is a Japanese word.
that translates to reason for being. It's about finding joy, fulfillment, and balance in the daily routine of life. Let's dive into the steps to find your Ikigai.
Step 1. Rediscover the things you love. Think about what you love.
What activities make you lose track of time?
What brings you joy?
Write these things down.
They are the first piece of your Ikigai.
Step 2. Identify your strengths.
Next, consider what you're good at,
These could be skills you've developed over time.
or natural talents you've always had. Don't be modest. List everything that comes to mind. Step 3.
What does the world need?
Now think about what the world needs.
What are some issues you feel passionate about? What changes would you like to see in the world?
Step 4. What can you be paid for? Finally,
Consider what you can be paid for. This includes things you're currently paid for and things you could potentially be paid for in the future.
once you have these 4 lists, look for common themes.
And intersections. Your Ikigai lies where these 4 elements converge. Remember, finding your Ikigai is a journey,
Not a destination. Be patient with yourself.
and enjoy the process. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you on your journey to finding your Ikigai. Remember, everyone's Ikigai is unique, and it's all about finding what brings you happiness
And fulfillment. Until next time.